you were back at Man, you were not afraid of doing sort of big mergers and acquisitions. Now you're at Pimco. Pimco's tended to do slightly smaller ones. If you have an industry that's changing for the reasons you've just said, is it going to be, do you see a period of consolidation in the fund management industry? And are you interested in buying?
So we're not, and I think we've been very clear, and I've been very clear about the fact that all organic growth is going to be, all growth, will be organic. And yes, we may make small acquisition, but the reality is Pimco will not change. And I think for us, focus is very essential. We're not trying to be all things to all people, and we have a strong culture. We have a strong investment culture, and it's much easier for us to add people than to buy people. Now, I can tell you, tech and the size of the investment in tech is enormous. And I think that you will see smaller asset manager thinking twice about whether they want to remain independent and whether there are synergies to be achieved by merging down the line. Practically speaking, I think when people talk on Zoom, it is not easy to do merger. So until we can come back to face-to-face meeting, I don't think you'll see many mergers, broadly speaking, because they're just hard to do. I think at some point in time you need to break bread and look at each other in the eyes and say, this is something we want to do. This is the right thing to do. And it's harder unless you know the person forever to do by Zoom. I think that's one of the few things that modern media has not been able to deliver.